Problem number 6 and 7 from AMC 2021 12A fall. Problem number 6. It says, as shown in the figure below, point A lies on the opposite here of plane determined by line CD from point A. Okay, it is like bigger, important thing. So that CDE is 110 degrees. Point F lies on AD, this part, so that DE equal to DF. So let's draw DE equal to DE equal to DF. And ABCD is a square. What's the degree measure of AFE? So we want to find this part. Now, let's see. We know this part is 90 degree. It is 110. So if I want to find this part, this degree, it will be 360 minus 90 minus 110. So it will be 360 minus 200, which will be 160. So this part will be 160. Now we want to find this angle and this angle. Because FDE is an isosceles triangle. So let's let me consider it is F1. This one, F1. F1 will be 180 minus 160. If we call this one also E1, F1 and E1 are equal. So it is 160. When you subtract 180, because sum of the angles in a triangle is 180, you subtract 160 and divide it by 2. Because F1 equal to E1. So 180 minus 160, 20 over 2, which is 10. Because F1 is 10, so AFE plus F1 we know is 180. But this is a straight angle. 180 minus 10 equal to 170 degrees. And the answer is D. Okay, so let's focus on problem number 7. A school has 100 students and 5 teachers. In the first period, each student is taking one class, and each teacher is teaching one class. Okay. The enrollments in the classes are 50, 20, 25, 5. So let me draw it. Okay, so the classes are 50, first class, second class 20, third class 20, fourth class 5, because of this. So some of them will be 100 students. Let T be the average value obtained if a teacher is picked at random. The number of students in their class is known. Okay, so we have 5 teachers without loss of generality. For example, teacher 1, teacher 2, teacher 3, teacher 4, teacher 5. If you ask from teacher 1, students there in your class, answer is 50. Teacher 2, 20, teacher 3, 20, teacher 5, teacher 5, 5 again. And if you want to calculate the average, it will be, let's calculate T. It says T will be 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 5 plus 5 all over 5. Now, if you add all these numbers, it will be 100 over 5, which is 20. Oh, next one. Let S be the average value obtained. Student was picked at random. And the number of students in their class, including the students, is noted. Let's calculate S. I want to calculate S. Each student, we have 50 students here. I ask from each of them. They say there are 50 students. It says including the student. 50 students in our class. So we have 50 answers. All of them are 50 for this. Now, if I ask students here, 20 students, and all of them answer 20. Again here, if I ask 20 students, all of them answer 20. In class number 4, 5 students, all of them answer 5. And the last one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these 5 students answer 5. And then, how many numbers do we write? Because we should find average here, average value. So we should divide it by 100. Let's calculate S. It will be 50 times 50, 50 squared, plus 20 squared, plus 20 squared, plus 5 squared, plus 5 squared, all over 100. If I divide 50 squared over 100 will be 25. 20 squared over 100 will be 4. The next one 4, and if I add these two numbers, 50 squared, 5 squared plus 5 squared, 25 plus 25, 50. 50 over 100 will be 1. It will be 25 plus 4, 29, plus 4, 33, 33 plus 1. Problem says P minus S is what? If we calculate P minus S, it will be what? 20 minus 33 minus, it will be negative 13 minus, and the answer will be B. Pay attention. It says T minus S, not S minus. If it was S minus D, you should select D. But here, because it is T minus S, the answer is negative 13.5. Okay, if you want to learn other ideas like this that are useful in AMC in all topics, send message to my WhatsApp number in the comments and description. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Bye bye.